Hi, it's Claire. I just thought, I was about to do this anyway, and I thought it might be interesting to some people because I'm going to make stickers out of stuff I just have in my house. I don't have any sticker paper, so I thought you might find this interesting on how I'm going to do it, because all you need is some sellotape, clear sellotape. Normal tape will work fine. I'm using this double width tape because my stickers are a little bigger. This may not be something you have in your house, but it is easily obtainable via the magical internet. Scissors, chop chop, and baking paper or greaseproof paper. I've got this non-stick texture stuff, which isn't, to be honest, flat stuff's better, but whatever, like, as long as it's greaseproof, nothing sticks. That's the important part. So you need some, so just to go over that again, you need some tape, some scissors, and some baking paper. And of course, whatever you want to make a sticker of. So here's my little guy I'm going to turn into a sticker. It's just printed on normal printer paper. Whoops. So got him ready, put him to one side. Now I've cut a piece of tape that's going to be big enough, and I'm going to place it onto the greaseproof paper one-handed because it's awkward. And press it down. You can just about see it. Just about see it, the light. There we go. So then we put a little man right in the center of it, like that. And then jump cut to second piece of tape. And you can probably guess what I'm going to do with this. So I'm going to do it off camera, otherwise it's going to be awkward as heck. So now wee man is on top of tape and under tape. He's underneath the tape. And I'm just going to cut him out. So seamless. Now I've left a gap around the white bit. That is completely my choice to do that. You don't have to do that because he will be sticky across the whole back. He won't just be sticky around the edges. So I'm going to trim him up and then stick him to something. Much like normal stickers, the trickiest bit is actually getting him off the backing paper. So he's off the backing paper now and he's ready to be stuck. So where shall I stick him? I'll stick him to this box. There you go. Wee sticker. Have fun.